Hello family, this is going to be a curry stewed chicken. I have my thighs and I have chicken legs, which I washed in water, vinegar and salt and let sit for a half hour. I have my curry with a pinch of molasses graham. I have my pinto, which is Scotch bonnet for the seasoning. I have my salt. I have garlic, ginger, ketchup. I have thyme, rosemary, and parsley. Also have onion, scallops, tomatoes, which you use a whole tomato. I use round cherry tomatoes I cut in half. I have my hot peppers, which is my Scotch bonnet. I also have my brown sugar with olive oil, which will be used when I start cooking. Okay, now I'm gonna add my ingredients. Salt. And as you cook, you can add salt to it. It depends on your taste. My garlic. My ginger, ketchup, tomatoes, scallops, thyme and rosemary, and parsley. Now with the thymes, later on you can take out the branches after we cook. You take your hands, you can use gloves, and just mix everything up. Make sure you have good mixture going on here. You want each chicken to catch each flavor. There you have it. Again, marinated no less than an hour, but I'm gonna marinate mine overnight.